Let's try to look at the window level shortcuts in Visual Studio. This is Daniel and you are going to get coded. In this video I want to talk faster because I think that I don't talk that fast because I want to explain the thing, not because I cannot talk fast. So I feel like some people might think that I cannot talk fast enough, and I want to experience in this video like how it is to actually talk faster and what it means actually to explain in this way. So if you feel like this is way too fast, please comment down below, let me know your thoughts, because I can talk faster, I can explain faster, so I don't have to go like through all the things very slowly and to explain, because it's difficult to actually explain when you have like a very fast pace as I have right now. So it's very difficult from that point of view. But if it's alright for you, if you like this way of teaching, if you like this way of actually talking and explaining things, then please click thumbs up. Also comment down below if you agree or you disagree, okay? So just let me know. I want to know that. Okay, so as I said, in this video I want to go to the window level, so the window level shortcuts. And as you see here, I have only 4. So in actuality, it's about how to open up windows from Visual Studio. So you can see like here on the left side, we have some windows. We have some windows here on the bottom of the file, on the bottom of the app, and also like here. So to the right side, to the left side, and to the bottom. So let's try to see the first one, and these are the most important ones. So Ctrl Alt I, and I think this doesn't work because I forgot to actually solve it. Ctrl Alt I, yes, so this opens up the immediate window, so not the Solution Explorer. The immediate window is amazing. I'll make a separate video for like features in Visual Studio that you should know, like immediate window and the watch thing. So all of those things are coming up soon. So how to actually use the Visual Studio Code, the Visual Studio at its full potential. And afterwards, I'll go into Visual Studio Code. So this is like my plan for right now. I want to finish up with Visual Studio, and then I want to go to Visual Studio Code, because these are the two editors. Well, this is an IDE. The other one is an editor that I'm currently using. So just to let you know. So this opens up the immediate window. I don't know right now the Solution Explorer shortcut, but I'm going to update this, and you can find the link in the description down below. So make sure you go there, you go down below and you find this link. I'm going to update it with the Solution Explorer and with the immediate window, okay? So let me know again if this is too fast. So the task list, the error list, and the SQL Server. So these are other 3 important windows that you should know in Visual Studio. So let's try one by one. I'm going to close this one, and I'll say Ctrl/T. And we have the task list open. This is useful whenever you have something like a to-do. So to-do adds something here. And I hit save, and then I press Ctrl/T. This didn't work. Ctrl/T. You have the task list, and you have add something here as well. So you have all the to-dos there, which is very cool because you don't have to remember what do I need to change, where should I continue on. This is an amazing productivity tool to integrate in your workflow. Okay. The next one is the error list. So whenever you want to actually go to the error list, you can say Ctrl+/E. So Ctrl/E to actually go to the error list. So whenever you have some errors, they will show up here. Also, you have some warnings. And I bet you know this window because we end up having so many errors in this window. So I understand you perfectly. The next one is going to be Ctrl/S for SQL Server. This is another important window that you should know. You might know that Visual Studio has built-in SQL Server commands. So you can actually have your SQL commands here. You can create a database, you can create tables, and I'll go into that as well. So I'm going to start also a series about SQL. So everything that I know, in actuality, I want to teach it here. So every single thing. We might see how this ends. So Ctrl/S. And this is the only one which opens up a little bit slower because it has to check all the databases that you have currently connected to your account. As you can see, I have only 2. the local ones. Okay, so these are the window level shortcuts that you might need to use in Visual Studio. I will remind myself to actually add the Solution Explorer here as well. So the first one is the immediate window, so it's not the Solution Explorer. So I hope you liked it. If you did, please click thumbs up. Don't forget to actually comment down below about how I teach, how I speak, if it's too fast, if it's too slow. And I will see you guys in a future episode. Bye.